In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product SKUs fast and easy. Editing SKUs can streamline your inventory management, making it an essential skill for anyone managing a product catalog. Let's dive in and make this process quick and simple for you. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where everything begins. Once you're at the dashboard, look for the option labeled Products. This is the hub of all your product listings, and it's your first stop in editing those SKUs. Make sure you're logged in with the right privileges, or else you might not see all the options. Now, click on Products. This will display a list of all the products currently in your store. At this point, you'll want to identify which product's SKU you wish to edit. Take your time here to ensure you choose the correct item, because accuracy is critical in inventory management. Once you have located the product you want to edit, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the product's individual detail page. It's structured to give you access to all the editable fields related to that product, from descriptions to pricing, and of course, the SKU. Next, look for a tab or section labeled Inventory. This section is key because it contains the specifics about stock management. Click on Inventory and take a look around. Here, you'll find a number of options to adjust the information about how much of each product you have and its identifiable codes. Once you're in the Inventory section, one of the fields you'll see is SKU. Click on this field to highlight it. SKUs, or stock keeping units, are identifiers specific to each item in your product catalog. It's important to note that each SKU must be unique to ensure there's no mix-up between products. Now, you'll either enter a new SKU or modify the existing one. This might be a combination of letters and numbers that means something to your back-end operations. Whether your focus is on categories, brand identification, or stock location, make sure the SKUs you assign are logical and consistent. After entering or modifying the SKU, double-check your work. It's always worthwhile making sure there are no typos or duplications here, as they could lead to headaches down the road in managing your inventory. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to save your updates. Often, there'll be a Save or Update button on the page, so look for that and click on it. Ensuring your changes are saved correctly is a crucial step. You wouldn't want to lose your work. And there you have it. You've edited your product SKU. By making this a routine part of your inventory management strategy, you can stay organized, efficient, and more focused on growing your business. Thanks for watching and happy editing.